Amul was under pressure to pay a good price to Gujarat farmers following a glut of liquid milk during the pandemic over the past year. The train that chugged off on Friday had 45 containers each loaded with 25 metric tons of milk powder, counting for 1,124 metric tons of milk powder in one single rail rake through Gateway Rail Freight Limited, which provides EXIM operations at ICD Viramgam. From JNP, the shipment will be loaded in Malaysia-bound vessel. Because of this export, we will be able to provide a good price to Gujarat farmers. Dairy farmers in Gujarat are currently paid procurement price in the range of Rs 670 to Rs 720 per kg fat by the milk unions. In fact, during the last 2 months, Amul has exported more than 12,000 tons of milk powder to Bangladesh, Afghanistan, UAE, Oman and Malaysia among others. Sources said that since then, milk collection has gradually started reducing. Currently, the total milk collection stands at 290 lakh litre per day for Amul. Dairy farmers of the Karimnagar district now have a reason to rejoice, as the Karimnagar Milk Producer Company Limited KMPCL management has decided to increase the milk procurement price by Rs 2 per litre. Dairy farms supplying milk over 50 litres would get an additional incentive ranging anywhere between Rs 1 per litre and Rs 4 per litre. Now the farmers would get Rs 640 per kg total solids for buffalo milk against the old rate of Rs 620 per kg. For cow milk, the farmers would get Rs 257 per kg total solids against the old rate of Rs 245 per kg plus an incentive of Rs 1 per litre. KMPCL will procure 1 litre of buffalo milk having 6% fat at Rs 39.40 against the old rate of Rs 37.20 per litre. Similarly, the cow milk having 4% fat would be procured at Rs 33.13 per litre against the old rate of Rs 30.63 per litre. Milk supplies in most parts of the country are matching with that of last year's scenario. The only difference is that the SMP and butter stocks are comparatively higher than last year. Everyone is just talking about the possible milk powder prices at the peak of the lean season. The stockists and middlemen are building stocks. The industry is still preparing themselves to pass this summer without much raise in the price of milk for the farmers. The price of petrol in Delhi in 2016 was around Rs 65 and that of full cream by Mother Dairy Rs 49 per litre. In 2021, petrol prices are Rs 91 and milk price is Rs 55. There has been an increase of 12.22% in milk price while petrol has increased by over 40%. The media on the contrary only believes in creating a bad image of milk and milk products. The biggest impediment to the current phase of white revolution is speculation of dairy prices. India needs more platforms like NCDFI and even regional platforms at micro levels with full transparency could act as a catalyst for India becoming milk pail of the world. Earlier this week, 3 other villages in the district in UP had announced a boycott of milk supply till the 3 contentious farm laws passed in September 2020 were withdrawn by the centre. The villagers have also announced that from March 6, they will sell milk at Rs 100 per litre. At present, their supply is sold between Rs 25 and Rs 35 per litre. The villagers have started extracting ghee from the milk so as to increase the shelf life of the product. Dairy farmers of these 9 villages are also demanding a law on guarantee of payment and minimum support prices for crop. Apart from cooperatives, several private dairies have also not received any milk for the past few days in the district. Among segments in Nestle India, milk products and nutrition increased 8.9% and accounted for 45.8% of overall sales. Prepared dishes and cooking aids rose 11.4% and contributed 30% of sales. Over the last 5 years, Nestle India has had more than 80 new products launches and contributed to overall domestic sales by 4.3% in calendar year 2020. Going ahead, input price inflation remains a key concern for Nestle India. Milk prices rose 7% year on year in 2020, while those of skim milk powder jumped 25%. The company is under-indexed in rural, which offers growth headroom through distribution and SKU expansion. In 2020, Nestle India's domestic sales volume rose 5.7% on year-on-year basis. Domestic sales growth last year stood at 8.5% on year-on-year. E-commerce contribution to domestic sales increased to 3.7% in 2020 from 1.9% in 2019. To be sure, valuation of Nestle India's shares are not particularly cheap. The stock trades at about 58 times calendar year 22 Jefferies earning per share estimates. Food inflation in India will probably accelerate in the coming months on stronger prices of fruits, vegetables and chicken following poor supplies, according to a top executive of the nation's biggest animal feed company. Weaker prices of animal protein due to poor demand from bulk users like hotels and banquets, which account for one-third of total consumption during the coronavirus-related restriction, discouraged farmers to invest in expansion, causing a tightness in the market, said Balram Yadav, managing director of Godrej Agrovet. An expected rise in food prices could be a setback for the monetary policy makers who have been betting on soft levels. The nation's food inflation rate has now eased to around 2% from a high of 11% in October on an improvement in supply chains and arrival of fresh crops. Chicken, eggs and milk prices will gain on rising costs. A drop in the COVID infection rate is expected to boost demand for poultry and dairy products. Global dairy price index touched a new high of 4,231 US dollar per metric ton on March 2, 2021. It is up by 15% since last fortnight. The prices of various commodities are as follows. Anhydrous milk fat is up by 7.4% to reach at US dollar 5,929 per metric ton. Butter led the rally in volumes with a growth of 13.7% to reach at US dollar 5,826 per MT. Cheddar cheese rose by 1.3% to US dollar 4,280 per metric ton. Lactose increased by 4.9% to touch US dollars 1,278 per metric ton. Skim milk powder increased slightly by 3.5% to a new high of US dollar 3,302 per metric ton. And whole milk powder almost broke records with 21% growth to touch US dollar 4,364 per metric ton within a fortnight. Thanks for watching Daily News 7x7 channel with news update from last 7 days. To continue receiving update from this channel, I Kuldeep Sharma request you to subscribe this channel and share and like the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.